this means that you have finished researching your country and comparing it the way that they celebrate Christmas to the way that the United States celebrates Christmas. And you are ready to begin adding your information to our class PowerPoint. So to do that, the first thing you want to do is to click on, of course, Google Chrome. You need to get into your Google account. So once everything loads, if you'll click on your Gmail tab at the top of your internet, and then, of course, find your name in the list. You'll have a whole list of people, and then you need to type in your password. And then you're going to click on Sign In. You should have an email waiting from me saying that I have shared a document with you. It will look something like this. Yours isn't Christmas symbols, but it will look something like this. And then you'll have a button that says Open in Slides. You can either open it that way, or you can come up here to your boxes with all of your Google apps, and you can go to Slides. And once that is open, you'll see down here at the bottom the slides that have been shared with you. So if I go to Christmas comparisons here, if you click on your class's slideshow, we'll wait for it to open completely. I've already created the slides for each country. So all you're going to do is find your country. And so if me and my partner were doing Sweden, then this would be my slide that I would start working on. And it says click to add text. So you can organize this any way that you want to. You could put the United States on the left and then list things that Sweden does on the right, or vice versa. It depends on how you want things organized. And you simply, like it says, click to add the text, and then you could add something in your text boxes, like maybe say, oops, need to capitalize that. Actually, I should label this. Let's do USA. Maybe we put Christmas trees in our homes with lights and ornaments. And then you might want to add something over here. You might want to put Sweden, or because it's labeled at the top, you don't really need to add it again. That's up to you. And you could put a fact or a way that Sweden celebrates Christmas. Remember, as you're doing this, you want to think about how people decorate, how people, the traditions that they do to celebrate the season, and also the food that they eat. So those are the kinds of things that you want to compare and contrast. And just to go over a few of the tools that we have with Google Slides, you of course can change your font size here if you want to make it bigger or smaller. I wouldn't go any smaller because you remember you want people to be able to read what is on your presentation. It needs to be fairly big. If you want to change colors, this is a fill color. Right now it's transparent. To fill in your text boxes with color, I don't really recommend that, but that is an option. This will change your the line colors on your text boxes. If you need a new slide, let's say we filled up this entire section, we need something else, we want to put a slide after ours, you would just go Insert, oh there it is, Insert New Slide down here at the bottom, and it would insert a new slide for you. And then you need to add your title, you need to add your country again, so that we don't, so that we know which country we're still learning about. Okay. I think that's all I need to show you. Of course, if you have any questions, you simply just need to raise your hand and ask, but I think that will get you started. Remember that anything you do in your Google Slide presentation is being saved in your Drive account, so you don't have to physically save anything. But don't forget that you do need to log out when you are finished working. So you want to click on your name up here and then click on Sign Out to take you out of your Google Drive account. Alright, happy working. I can't wait to see the finished presentation.